Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Canon Ip4300. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality or a certain color just is not printing, this is a method you can go ahead and use to go ahead and restore your print quality. The first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and open this up. The print head is going to come right to the middle. And if you are running low on ink, I've already got mine out here. This is low on ink. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can go ahead and go on Amazon.com and buy a new set of ink here. And whatever, if there's just one color that's low, make sure you buy a new one. That is what ends up causing the problem with this print head. Now you're going to go ahead and take out your print head. Okay. And yours may or may not be this dirty. Every print head is different usage. Okay, you're going to go ahead and close that. And you are going to go ahead and want to have a container just like this, and you're going to place your print head right in there. Now, to do this, to clean this out, you are going to want to have a print head cleaning syringe, which I'm also going to have a link to in the description below where you can go ahead and buy that. This is a generic one that I use because I do this so often, but the one that is in the description below is specific to this type of print head, and it has different fitments, and it just overall just works a lot better than this one. You're going to get even better results with that one. All right, so what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and with the kit you should have some some print head cleaning solution, and you can go ahead and fill this up with your cleaning solution, and you are going to go ahead and go over each nozzle. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it here, kind of what you need to do. So you're really just unclogging this ink that is stuck in here, which is what happens, you know, when the ink dries out, or usually that's the main problem. You're running low on ink and you kind of want to get the most out of it, but it could be causing a problem. You don't even realize it. So like I said, go ahead and get your cleaning syringe. It's very, very inexpensive compared to what you would have to pay somebody to do this. You can do it yourself. I highly recommend you doing this yourself. And as you can see there are different colors. There's magenta. I just cleaned magenta. And I'm going to go over black one more time here. Or there's two blacks. This is a smaller one here. And you can see there a bunch of ink just came out. That's kind of what you should be seeing. You know, ink should be coming out just because it's clogged in there, and you're wanting to clean out as much as possible and get the cleaning solution in there. Okay, and as you can see, that was cyan. Now you can go over this a couple more times than I did, and you'll get even better results like that. Now if it's just one color, let's say it's magenta, then you just hit magenta. That's all you really need to do. But if it's, you know, an overall print quality problem, then you're going to want to go ahead and clean all of it. But this, for the most part, should be enough. Now if you need to maybe warm up the solution, you can go ahead and do that. Use warm up your print head cleaning solution, and then you're going to have a fitment with this with the kit that is in the description below, where you can fit it on top of this nozzle, and then you're going to go ahead and get yours. So it's a lot more simple than this, but if you were just using a generic syringe, this is what you would do. It's a pretty similar process. Alright, so just make sure to go ahead and you're going to want to dry off your print head before you put it back. If you're waiting on new ink to come in the mail, go ahead and wait to print anything before, you know, make this a project that is contingent on the new ink coming in. Once you get the new ink, you go ahead and put it in, and that is going to go ahead and you know, it's going to solve that problem. It's going to diminish that problem, because if you put back your dry ink in there, it's going to cause problems again over time. So just make sure that you have new ink in there. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Also, if this didn't work out for you for whatever reason, there's a link in the description below for this printer and also another printer that uses similar ink, so that you can solve your problem that way. So there's a lot of resources down in the description below. So you go ahead and down there and take what you need. so that you can get the job done, whatever option is best for you. So thanks for watching, and until next time.